Hi guys, it's Sad. Welcome back to the channel. We've discussed the Ukrainian advantage in drone warfare against the Russians, but now they are really taking the matter to the next level. Like in the Terminator movie, Ukrainians are deploying autonomous drones, which are hunting Russian armor on their own without communication with the ground. Amazing.
The Russian Ministry of Defense has today released footage with Valery Gerasimov. Finally, at least for several seconds, they showed the world that the Chief of Staff is fine and well. But this footage can really be from any time. So we are still not convinced. Finally, the news I was expecting has arrived. Ukrainian armed forces starts developing an army of drones, and we're not talking about cheap FPV drones, but autonomous AI drones able to attack the enemy without a human operator. And since they don't communicate, they can't be jammed. According to the sources from the ground, such attacks have already been conducted against Russian vehicles on a small scale using autonomous drones. Saker AI software is able to currently recognize 64 different types of Russian military vehicles. This could be the key of defeating the Russians despite the ammo shortage. Here's the footage. You can see how the software recognizes military vehicles while flying over them. Such drones could also be used to gather coordinates for artillery attacks, or to be used by cheaper kamikaze drones. The future is here, folks. And even the Russians are slowly advancing, or grinding their way to Avdiivka. We can see here Russian invader passes, at least 15 own destroyed vehicles, driving into Avdiivka. Funny how the Carlson Putin was considered to be a shit show almost universally. Even Putin and Carlson stated their dissatisfaction. On X, you can't find many accounts that talk positively about Russian grandpa's incoherent history lesson. Apparently, Carlson was paid a meaningful fee for the interview, so at least he has something to be happy about. The F-16 exceeded the expectations of Ukrainian pilots during the exercises. Ukrainian pilot, call sign Phantom, shared some of his thoughts with Voice of America. Western instructors speak highly of Ukrainian pilots, saying that Ukrainian pilots are very skilled and extremely motivated. The stage of retraining Ukrainians on the F-16 is proceeding as planned. Not only pilots are being trained, but also ground personnel, mechanics, and support units. A pilot or technician is a small cog in a big system. Ukrainian pilots are very impressed. The F-16 has simply exceeded their expectations. The F-16 is a new generation aircraft, a more digitalized aircraft with many systems and programs that need to be introduced during and before the flight. The retraining program is the same whether it is in the United States, Denmark, Greece, or Turkey, as the partners have discussed and agreed upon it. By the time the F-16S are ready to be delivered to Ukraine, the infrastructure will be ready, as will our people. Can't wait to see Ukrainian amazing pilots flying the F-16S in the Ukrainian sky. Finland approved its 22nd defense aid package to Ukraine worth around 190 million euros, $205 million. The Finnish Defense Ministry announced on February 9th. The Finnish president green-lighted the package on February 9th based on the government's proposal. This brings the total military aid provided to Ukraine by the Nordic country to 1.8 billion euros, $1.94 billion. Thank you, Finland. Last night, Russia also attacked the port of Odessa and an oil depot in Kharkiv with massive missile and drone attacks. Residential areas were also attacked and entire streets were set on fire. Many people died, including 3 children. Against this background, it is always astonishing that peace advocates demonize attacks on Russian critical infrastructure as escalation. Ukraine must strike back as hard as it can and hit Russian industry as hard as possible. Of course, if possible, without causing civilian casualties like Russia does every day.
Двое детей, мужчина, женщина.
Мам, где папа? Папа сейчас идет.
Двое детей, мужчина, женщина.
Мам, где папа?
Chancellor Scholz said when leaving the White House, United States support is indispensable for the question of whether Ukraine will be able to defend itself. This defeatist statement is not only wrong, but reflects everything what's wrong in general with this German administration. It is true that U.S. help is crucial for the Ukrainian fight, but instead of giving in, it is necessary that Berlin takes up the responsibility. Europe is our continent, and it is our duty to keep it safe. What we need is guidance and leadership. Germany has the capabilities to take that role, but that requires courage, something what this German government does not possess. Ukrainians will keep on fighting no matter what. They defied the odds in the past and will defy the odds in the future until they achieve their freedom, but it will cost many lives. Lives which we could have saved if acted decisively.
Wir sollten nicht drum herum reden für die Frage, ob die Ukraine in der Lage sein wird.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, but these drones are become really scary. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.